did an astronaut or really just something to leave? Do I want to hang with friends all my life? Or do I want to be the next Hollywood? Could I be an actress or could I be a dreamer? I can be anything to say those words to me. I believe in this world can change for me. If I change one person to the good we'll see. I love the Bible, love the cross and everything about it. I believe in everything. Father, hear me pray to you. Is it me or can I just give my hands to you? Take my soul, put it in your hands tonight. I believe in it all. I remember when I was in grade 10. There was one boy that got picked on and till the end. He got so upset he wanted to die. But I told